Two Flying Biscuits. I'm going to show you one of the problems if you're going with the Moser rear end for Mopar. Uh, Basically, you're going to have to modify it if you're going to go with aftermarket disc brakes, like the 11-inch kits that you see online. Basically, this hub, the circle in the middle, is too big by not by very much, but I think the original, because these are original, I put the 11-inch on it and it fits. But like I said, Moser, and basically if you order through Moser, you can tell them that and then they'll fix it. But pretty much I got mine through Summit, so if you go through Summit, you're gonna have to machine this down. Obviously, I don't have a machine shop, so and I try to go around and get a machinist to do it, but basically I got hung up. So basically I did this way, and so I wouldn't recommend this 100%, but this is the way I did it and it fit, and hopefully it won't vibrate down the road later on or whatever. So basically, you need to have. So I tried to get the DeWalt DCF 911 to get this to work, but it was not powerful enough. So basically, I had to get the DCF 899, bigger one. I could show you, I guess. So the XL or XR on it. That's what you're gonna do, and it takes you're gonna have a third member laying around, or one that you're gonna put in the car, and you put it, set it up like this. So you're gonna have the back end up a little bit. I use duct tape, a roll of any kind of tape. Put something on there that's gonna move, and then you have this is a 1 1/8 for the third member, and then so you're gonna have one person doing this and one person grinding. So I just have a grinder with a flat disc on it. I'm not gonna actually do it, but this is the process that I did. And actually, I take it back. Stupid. So the circle in the middle is fine. It's the outside that's too big. So, like I said, I'm messed up. It's not the circle in the middle. It's actually this part on the outside. So this will not fit inside the rotor if you get it from Summit out of the box on 11-inch rotors. So basically, we got one person doing this, moving it at a constant speed. Obviously, you can't go too fast, but basically, if you had two people, it'd be easier. But then you do this, and then the next person is just grinding on this. I did it about probably 10 minutes on each side. Not on each side, but basically 10 minutes on this one, 10 minutes on the other one. Go real slow, test fit it on and off until it barely fits on. And then it should. But like I said, that's the way I did it. Hopefully that helps, or just take it to a machinist and they can get it down perfectly. But yeah, there you go. So that way you don't have to worry about it or run into it. Thank you for watching Two Flying Biscuits. I'm out. Then you just